Good morning, children. Today we'll do English text. So open out your English text readers to lesson 13. Time to be a rock. Page 8080. So let us read this lesson and I will explain it to you. Time to be a rock. What is the meaning of time to be a rock? It is time to stand still. To turn a statue. You all play the game statue? So, time to be a statue. First, take your pencils and on the top write READ. Read on the lesson. Come on. Today we'll do just this one page. Tomorrow the next, because this is a long lesson, we'll do one page a day. Now let us read. Toto was a baby turtle. Now this is about Toto. Toto. Who is Toto? Toto is a baby turtle. Kachua. In Hindi, turtle is a kachua. So, Toto was a baby turtle. He lived in a pond with his mother and father. And where did Toto live? Where did the turtle live? It lived with his mother and father. Now, his mother and father were also a turtle. And you can see in this picture, this is the pond. One day, Toto felt like going for a walk. And one day, Toto said, Mama, I want to go for a walk. Now, let us see. Here, see. Look at the picture and look at what Toto is saying. Mama, may I go to see what is like outside the pond? So, Toto tells his Mama, can I go for a walk? I've never been out of this pond. Can I go out of this pond and see what is there? How does it look like? And a turtle can live in water and without water. So, this is an animal which live on both on land and in water. So, he takes permission from his mama and he says, Mama, can I go out for a walk out of the pond and let me see what is there out of the pond? See what the mama says. All right, but remember what I have taught you. If you hear any scary sound, it is time to be a rock and you will be safe then. And the mother said, see, it's okay, you can go for a walk. I have no problem with it. But remember what I taught you. What did I tell you? You go walk around and as you hear any sound, scary matlab dharavna. If you hear any sound, कोई किसी के पैर के आहट आते हुए या anyone shouting or any vehicle coming, anything, any sound you hear, you just turn stiff, you turn a statue, you stand still, बिल्कुल ही नहीं हटना. तो what will people say? अरे ये तो पत्थर है. Because the turtle is hard from outside, ना? It looks like a rock. It looks like stone. तो मदर सेस कोई देखेगा तो बोलेगा अरे ये तो पत्थर है. तो तू सेफ हो जाएगा. जब ये लोग निकल जाएंगे, वो गाड़ी निकल जाएगी, सब निकल, फिर धीरे धीरे तू चलना वापस चालू करना. अगर तू उनके सामने चलेगा तो बोलेंगे अरे ये तो टर्टल है, तेरे को उठा के ले जाएंगे, यहाँ मार देंगे. तो इसलिए यू जस्ट स्टैंड एज अ रॉक, एज अ स्टैचू and you will be safe. Now see what Toto says. I will, Mama. And Toto says, Mama, don't worry, I will listen to you. I will. Now let us read. Toto came out of the pond and walked down the street. Toto now came out from the pond and he started walking down the street on the road. Soon he heard a scary sound. And थोड़ी देर में he heard one scary, a डरावना sound. Pit pat, pit pat. He heard pit pat, pit pat. Someone was coming and he heard किसी के पैर के आहट. He heard someone's footstep. He said somebody is coming. Toto pulled his head into his shell and stood very still. I will be safe now. And what did Toto do? As he heard somebody's coming, somebody's footstep, what did he do? He pulled his head inside. He pulled his head into his shell and it turned one round ball. This you all can see now, children, this. He pulled this head inside and it turned one round ball. So it looked like a stone and he remained still. Ekdam statue. And he said, now I will be safe. So this page I've explained. Once more I will read it. Children, please read this page. Then tomorrow we will do the next page again. Lesson 13, Time to be a rock. Toto was a baby turtle. He lived in a pond with his mother and father. One day, Toto felt like going for a walk. Mama, may I go to see what is like outside the pond? All right, but remember what I taught you. If you hear any scary sound, it is time to be a rock. You will be safe then. I will, Mama. Toto came out of the pond and walked down the street. Soon he heard a scary sound, pit, pitter pat, pitter pat. Someone was coming. Toto pulled his head into his shell. He stood very still. I'll be safe now. And what did Toto said? I'll be safe now. So children, please read this page. Tomorrow we'll do the next page. Thank you children. Have a good day children.